Hello, guys. Good morning to the community of divisions around the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonolo Hanyede, also known as Safaya Jua, one of the economic developer in the community. And wherever you are listening to this broadcast, either evening or afternoon, I salute you. A quick one this morning, I just want to encourage for as many who are out there thinking, how can I do it? Can I make it? Where this another beautiful Wednesday morning. I want to encourage you. Don't relent. Go all out. I can see some people who are yearning, oh, how can I make it in these few days to go? The 1000 promo is on. How can I make it? Guess what? Within these few hours, days left, you can make it. How? Go out with every zeal in you, with every confidence in you. Talk to one person, talk to the second person, talk to the fourth person. And guess what? Before you will do that, you'll be able to convince two people who will understand what it is all about and they will key into it. And guess what? If just two people register for the annual payment, then sure, you will use your bounties to register for your own annual payment. Simple. That's it. So you can do it. You can do it. Guys, guess what? Step out. It's another beautiful morning. Step out in confidence that yes, I can do it. Call out. Talk to them. Indeed, you'll be surprised. TBC is the best. TBC has the love of humanity at heart. And guess what? Different things, different bounties, different opportunities are coming on board. So, guys, guess what? Stand up, come out of your shackles this morning with every zeal in you, with every confidence. Step out, talk to as many people as you can, and you'll be surprised. They will register. God bless you. Like this broadcast and subscribe to it. Thank you. Cheers.